Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. A 3-day plus storm impacting mainly the western and central parts of the Dakotas and the northern portions of Minnesota. We're just getting our first taste of snow today in the southern Red River Valley, and our neighbors in western North Dakota doing everything they can, as we mentioned earlier, to save their livestock. This teenager here riding in the bucket to get this calf back to the house where they brought it inside. And it's amazing what's going on out there in the fields across the valley. Your Friday First Alert Weather Day canceled for us because the snow will be on its way out, but we'll still have some cleaning up to do as we head through the next 24 to 36 hours. On our way to another First Alert Weather Day on Sunday. The flakes have given up just a little bit in the Fargo-Moorhead area for now, but we do have them oscillating around in these very narrow bands as we set your hour-by-hour forecast into motion. Look at the temperatures right now. With the fields of fresh snow and a little bit of partial clearing and a northwest wind ushering in colder air, it's going to be cold. It's going to be wind chilly. Our winds as we go through the overnight hours will continue to gust at over 30 miles per hour. And that is one of the reasons why they will not be able to open roads right away. But as we go through the overnight hours, notice our snow showers in the overnight stop here in the Southern Valley. We could have some continuing in northern Minnesota. Temperatures in the teens and low 20s. Tomorrow, the green arrows return. Those are gusts over 30 miles per hour. We'll still have gusts out there. There'll be some blowing and drifting snow on area roads, but with any luck at all, they'll be able to make progress, particularly out in the western Dakotas where things are closed, because the winds there will be a little less than what we're experiencing in the valley. As we go through the day, we do not get out of the 20s. It looks cloudy, snow showers on again, off again here in northern Minnesota, but other than that, pretty quiet. As far as accumulations go, an inch to a couple inches in most of those spots, not out of the question. By late in the day, the wind finally, and by late in the day I mean after sunset, finally drops under 30 miles per hour. Unbelievable stretch of weather as that storm exits. Overnight, we can expect 0 to 2 inches plus pretty much anywhere those little narrow bands of snow oscillate. Here's where they are right now. We have them extended from Devil's Lake through the Highway 200 corridor here, not far from the Hope area. We have that leading right into Fargo-Moorhead. Bismarck continues to see snow after over 2 feet in that area, and over 3 feet, or 3 feet, I should say, in and around Minot. Here's some dancing around the I-94 corridor, and I can tell you the wet roads froze. We've got some layers of snow over the top of it. It's slippery right here in town. Give yourself some extra time first thing in the morning. And here is the Bismarck area with the snow continuing to be persistent from Mandan through Bismarck and down into south central North Dakota. 12 degrees in Devil's Lake right now, 18 for Lakes Country in Detroit Lakes. And as we look at visibilities, improved today. We don't see any zeros on there, but look at this. The snow is all but done, but only 1 mile visibility in Dickinson. That tells you that cold snow is absolutely blowing around out there. And that will continue for them overnight and into tomorrow as well as our road crews battle the elements. All right, winds out there right now, not quite as strong, and we will see them persistent overnight. We start our day in Fargo, 17 degrees. We warm about 10 degrees. We'll be in the mid and upper 20s out there. Will not be all sun, but we will have peaks of it. The snow showers will be gone here, maybe a little in northern Minnesota. Winds will be gusting over 30 miles per hour until after sunset, and then we'll finally start to see them taper off. When is sunset? 8:16. Now let's talk about Sunday. Remember, we've canceled the First Alert Weather Day for tomorrow, so we're turning our attention to the next chance of snow, and it's a high-impact travel weekend, right? So let's get to that. Here's the European model, one model. They don't all agree yet, so there's some uncertainty with this one too, just like the last one. Here it comes. As we head into the morning of Easter Sunday, it impacts the same area that was hard hit. Now, they need the moisture, but this could bring snow and wind as it works its way through. Looks like it moves right through North Dakota into Minnesota, and look at this path of snow. This is significant amounts of snow. 3 to 6 possible in some areas for sure here in the valley, but even more possible out to the west. A lot could change. We'll keep you posted on any of that. First and foremost, your planning forecast looks like this. 26 degrees, still windy until late as the snow showers should be out of here for most of us. 33 and a break on Saturday. Easter Sunday snow. Be careful of that and keep it posted here. Have the Valley News Live weather app handy. Next week, no red days yet. We're kind of eyeballing the system on Wednesday, but the temperature of 45 has us feeling a little better about that, and optimisticity Is that a word? We just made it.
The average temperature there still says 54. Eventually, someday,
I'm excited
we'll
about
hit
a
that,
40
right?
on there.
Yeah.
Thanks.